Hello beautiful people and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel or you are hearing my voice for the first time, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So today, my wonderful family is a very special one indeed, and permits me, I'm going to a little bit harsh. I'm just kidding. All right, my wonderful family, today I want to bring us into another phrase, another dimension, just like what Simon Ekpa earlier said. You see that this IPOB movement is moving or taking another dimension. And I really want to address Simon Ekpa, the governor of Autopilot, the founder of Voice of Biafra FM 95.7. I remain loyal to you. All right, my wonderful people, today I just come in peace. Simon Ekpa, I want to tell you one or two things about this radio or Voice of Biafra that is all over the internet right now, that is making wave, that everybody is speaking about it. I just want to tell you one or two secrets, and I'm going to tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. I can still remember what happened earlier on when His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu said you should broadcast in Radio Biafra. A lot of people were happy with you, and a lot of people were saying, oh, from now henceforth, I will be listening to Simon Ekpa. He will be this, he will be that. He's going to do great. Oh, thank God for His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu for choosing him. And at the end of the day, the thing never worked out the way we expected it to. Just because a point came and said, you, Mazi Simon Ekpa, refuse to take an oath, of which you came and debunked it, that you did not even see anything concerning oath and all that. All right, that is not really the point I'm coming to. The point I am coming to is this. Remember, you, Simon Ekpa, said DOS should caution the media warrior. As at then, I remember that this one, they are bringing issues upon issues. You are calling on the DOS to tell them to cease fire. You don't want to fight. You don't want to do this. You said a lot of things. Every day you come out to say it. A lot and a lot. To an extent that there is a particular day I will never forget. Tears roll out of your eyes. You cried right in your live stream. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you still recall it, but that has passed. What are really the reasons why a lot of people step up, or why a lot of people move up, and at the end of the day, they did go nowhere? They are back to square zero. One is when they lose focus. Yes, Simon Ekpa, I want to prove it to you that you came and you let everybody understand that this Radio Biafra is going to expose the zoo government. This Radio Biafra you are opening, or Voice of Biafra, you are going to use it for the actualization of Biafra. You came to tell everybody that through this Radio Biafra, people that do not even understand the meaning of Biafra, people that lose hope because His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu being kidnapped, you are going to bring the hopeless and give them hope and bring them back to understand that there is something called the struggle or the movement of Biafra. And a lot of people are saying, if you can handle this thing to the last call. A lot of people are watching if the process or the procedure of by which you launch this Voice of Biafra is going to be for that particular purpose. And what is the purpose? Purpose of freedom. How Nnamdi Kanu kidnapped from Kenya to Nigeria. How Nigeria government had this and that, and how they can release him. How Biafra needs freedom, and how the maltreatment and every other thing is taking place. Giving the people back home hope, strength, and energy for them to carry on. But if you revise everything that you tell Biafra, if you reverse everything that you promise Biafrans, if you reverse everything that you cried out to Biafra, you reach out to Biafra, that with this they are going to be confident. If you use this radio Biafra to come out, to start Saga, hey, if you use this radio Biafra for another method, if you use the voice of Biafra, rather, if you use this voice of Biafra for another method, if you use this voice of Biafra to attack your brother, your sister, to be doing, to expose this, to expose that, to do this, to do that, forgetting the purpose why you launched this radio, my brother, that is the beginning of downfall. I am sorry to use that particular word, but believe me, I am your die fan, but I still have to tell you the truth. If you use this radio Biafra very well, it will move mountain. But if you use this radio Biafra or voice of Biafra, I always contradict the two, or voice of Biafra for Saga, coming out every moment to talk about only DOS, coming out every moment to talk about what is not supposed to be, even the people in Biafra land, they will get tired of you, and they will not want to listen to this FM anymore. They will say anytime they are listening to this, it's only one problem or the other, one complaint or the other, one expose or the other. They are eating money, they are doing this, but you are not really exposing the Nigerian government that you promise. You are not really telling the people the hope, the strength of this great Biafra that you want to bring into new dimension. So, my beloved brother, that is why I came to remind you that don't ever you forget the purpose why you launch this voice of Biafra. If anything, Saga, if you use it to do Saga, if you use it to fight each other, my brother, people will start losing hope and trust on you. Leaders don't respond to everything. Only the readers respond to everything, because anything they read from dictionary or any book, they come out and actualize it. But leaders don't respond to everything. Be a leader. The governor of autopilot, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Be a leader and not a reader. Mark these two words. Be a leader and not a reader. I know I'm not qualified to talk to you, but I still have to talk to you, because when things are going well, everybody will be your friend. But when things are not going well, people will run away from you. Remember how you expose Radio Biafra. Yes, you said they are not using Radio Biafra for the right purpose. So we expect this voice of Biafra to be used for the right purpose. Yes, if things are going well, we will say it, we clap for you. And when things are not going well, Mazi Simon Ekpa, the governor of autopilot, believe me, I will still be the same person that will come here to say you did not try. So that is why, for you to start, I have to tell you, remember what you said about Radio Biafra, that they are not using Radio Biafra for the right purpose. So now, it's now your turn now for this voice of Biafra. What is the purpose are you going to use it for? Is it for Saga? Or to fight one another? Or to fight Biafra? Or to fight the zoo government? Please, we want to see the action. Brother, I respect you and I salute your courage. You are doing a great job, but peace and unity will go a long way to help this actualization. This is my humble opinion. So, my wonderful family, please do well to drop your opinion as well in the comment section. What do you understand by these few words? Remember, Simon Ekpa said the Radio Biafra, they are not using it for the right purpose. So we need this own to be used for the right purpose, or else we will still be the ones that will come out to remind him. Hence, we start earlier. So, my wonderful family, thank you so dearly. In case you are hearing this verse for the first time, I'm AGATHA Progress here on YouTube, and I bring it back to back. Please join this family, share our videos. In fact, keep sharing this video, let it get to Simon Ekpa. We want him to see this video so that he will know that when it sets, they want him before. So my other family, thank you once again for always supporting this channel. Do well to like, share and subscribe. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.